Hello, you're welcome to Master T Math class. And in this live class, we want to consider questions on general revision in mathematics. So let's look at a likely examination question we have as far as mathematics is concerned. Okay, in this class, we have the number one question here. To evaluate number one, evaluate is 0.13 all raised to power 3 correct to three significant figures. Correct to three significant figures. Okay. Now, here we can use calculator and get this. And also, we should understand that 0.13 all raised to power 3 is still same thing as 0.13 times 0.13 times 0.13. So when we do this, we just need to put our answer to three significant figures. And this gives us 0.002197. And to three significant figure, the first significant figure here is 2, followed by 1 and 9. So we round it to this position. That is, we have 0.002. Then when 1 comes to 9 here, it becomes 10. So we had 1 here, that's 2, 0. So here we have to three significant figures. All right. So that's the first question there. So let's look at another interesting question. Number 2 here, you have to simplify one one zero one one base 2. Simplify 11011 base 2 minus 1101 base 2. Now we have to subtract here in base 2. Solution, we can rewrite this and we have 11011, then minus. Also we have 1 0 1 1. We write it from the back to the front, and this is in base 2. Now when we subtract 1 minus 1, this is 0. 1 minus 0, that's 1. 0 minus 1, you need to take 1 from here to this place, and the one with when we take 1, this becomes 0, and the one we take here becomes 2, which is the base. So anytime we take 1 and we add it, that one will become the base. So we now have 2 minus 1, this one. Here also remains 0. So take 1 here as well. This remains 0, and this becomes 2. 2 minus 1 also does 1. And this, we have nothing here. So here, we have the answer in base 2 as 1 1 1 0 is 2. Okay? Now let's solve the next question here. Let's call this question 3. That is, here we have to simplify. Simplify x minus 4 over 4 minus x minus 3 over 6. So this is just fraction expression. We bring it together as one fraction. This, we can find the SCM here. And SCM of 4 and 6. So that's 12. We bring this together as one fraction. SCM is 12. 4 going 12, that's 3. And 3 will multiply this. So we have 3 into brackets, x minus 4, then minus 6 going 12, that's 2. So we multiply this, we have 2 into bracket x minus 3. Then here, excuse me, 3 we open this bracket, this becomes 3x minus 3 times 4, that's 12. Then minus 2 open this, we have minus 2x, then plus 6, because minus times minus become plus, then all over 12. So bring the one with x together, we have 3x minus 12, also minus 12 plus 6, all over 12. 3x minus 2x, that's 3x minus 2x, and 3x minus 2x give us x, and minus 12 plus 6 give us minus 6, and all over 12. So that here we have this as a simplified form of that problem. Okay? So let's consider question 4 in this class. Question 4. We have given that y is equals to 1 minus 2x divided by 4x minus 3. You're going to say find the value of x. Find the value of x for which y is undefined. For which y is undefined. Okay, so this is what we have for this particular question. And if y will be undefined here, it means this expression of y, after bringing this together as one fraction, because what we have is 1 minus 2x over 4x minus 3. We can bring this together as one fraction, and the SCM here is still same thing as 4x minus 3. Then 1 goes here, is still having 4x minus 3, then minus 2x. Okay, 4x minus 3 goes here, we still have x. And now, for this expression to be undefined, simply the denominator here has to be equals to 0. That is, for an undefined expression of y, we say we have 4x minus 3 equals to 0. So we can find x here by taking 3 minus 3 to the other side. We have 4x equals to 3. And therefore, x equals to, divide both side by 4, that's 3 over 4. So this here is the value of x, for which the expression y is undefined. All right. So you are watching us live here at Master T Math Class. Give a thumbs up and share this video, and also give your thumbs up and your comment. Okay. Question number 5 here. Okay. We have question 5. And in this question, we have a fair coin is tossed 3 times. Question 5. A fair coin is tossed 3 times. Find the probability of getting 2 heads and 1 tail. Find the probability of getting 2 heads, 2 heads and 1 tail. Okay, now let's consider the sample space for this experiment. A fair coin has 2 faces, edge and tail. Now, if 2 coins are tossed together, we have edge tail, also edge tail. This is the first coin, and this is the second coin. So the outcome will be edge tail. Also, we have tail edge and tail. So we have 4 outcomes for 2 coins. Now, the third coin, we can toss it with the outcome here. That will make it 3 coins. So the outcome for the 2 coins, we have edge, T, T, TH, and TT. This has come for 2 coins. Then we can toss the third coin with it to make it 3 coins now. So the outcome will be H, 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 T, H, T, H, H, T, T. Also here we have T, H, H, T, H, T, 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 H, T, T, T. Which make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 outcomes. So whatever we want to find here will be all over 8. Now, probability of getting 2 8 and 1 T. So anywhere we see 2 8 and 1 T, we count it. 2 8, 1 T here. 2 8, 1 T here. 2 8, 1 T here. Making 3. So the probability of getting 2 8, 1 T in tossing a fair coin 3 times is now equals to 3 over 8. So that is that. I believe that's taken. So that is how we handle that. Thank you for connecting. Please share this video and thank you. If you're new to this channel, subscribe as well. In order not to miss out on our uploads. Alright. Let's look at number 6 question here. We have question number 6. Simplify roots 1 or 8 minus roots 125 plus roots 75. So this is just a simple expression in sort. All right. Okay. So here this is plus and this is minus. So when we simplify this, we can express this sort given in simpler sort. That is root 108. That can be written as root 36 times 3 and plus root 125. That can be written as root 25 times 5. Then minus here root 75. You can write that as root 25 times 3. And when we separate this here, root 36, that's 6, we take it out, that's 6 root 3. Then plus root 25, that's 5, that's 5 root 5. Then minus also root 25, that's 5 root 3. Then the similar sort, we can bring it together and we have 6 root 3 minus 5 root 3 plus, here we have 5 root 5. 6 root 3 minus 5 root 3, that become 1 root 3, which is also root 3 plus 5 root 5. So here we have this as the simplified form of this given problem. Okay, so don't miss out on our videos. Thank you for connecting and see you next class. Bye. for now.